like there's a big turnout. $350. I like that color. It's like a I don't know, dark red or something. Burgundy. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that, I don't know if that's gonna come out on camera though. Pretty dark. Got the Sierra. Short bed. That blue is nice, like a cobalt blue. That's sick. GTO. Yeah, there's not a lot of people here though. It's kind of small. Got the old farm truck. Old school. I like that. What year? 69? F-150? Oh, 250? Oh, it's 3/4 ton? Okay, yeah, the 8 lugs. I see it.
Okay.
Nice.
The only thing I've done to it is Edelbrock intake, carb, that kind of thing.
What is it, a 351 or 302?
No, 390.
Oh, 390? Okay.
The only thing that makes it special is a camper special.
Okay. So it's got the heavy duty springs
Yep.
for the slide ins, yeah. Okay, they're hauling. That's cool. I like it. How long you had it?
A few years now.
A few years? Okay. It's been good to you?
Yeah, I mean, I had to, after I bought it, I had to pull the engine and redo every gasket, you know, all that stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
The guy who owned it rigged everything all kinds of weird. He had an electric fan
so you
on
had
it,
to
so I had to
clean
put
it
a
up.
mechanical fan back on it.
Okay.
You put up in
The 33? I got the old Ford too.
Yeah, you beat me, that's for sure, in the age. I hardly ever do.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so were there more people here earlier?
Yeah, I mean,
Like if I were to go V3s, I'd have to.
yeah, I mean, everything was, every slot was full. Every slot was full. Now it's not. So.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get around before all the other cars
Yeah.
leave too then. All right, man, it's nice talking to you. What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan? Brett.
Brett?
Yeah, pleased to meet you.
You have a good one.
All right, you too. BMW. This is a 3 Series. Got a Supra here. It's nice. I like that color. Challenger here.
Like 10 minutes ago.
Camaro. Lexus. Yeah, there's not much here though. There's a few fools though. With a little bit. Lightweight. That's clean. Oh. Alright. I see the glitter. In the paint. This yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that.
Thank you, man.
Kind of like, bing. I like it.
It's better when the sun hits, man.
Oh yeah, I bet. I can see it at night, so I already know.
Yeah, that was nice. I had a 150. ¿Cuál era la roja?
You got anything done to it?
Coilovers.
Okay. What kind you running?
I got skunk too.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah,
Okay.
they cool.
Not too bumpy?
Nah,
They came
I have
with
it like
the,
in the middle.
Okay.
I don't feel it. They say they do.
They
be
came with the
feeling-
struts and everything?
Yeah, everything.
Okay, whole thing, yeah. They adjustable?
Yeah. They're right here.
Dampening and height also? Okay, yeah. I see. From the top. That's even better.
Got a strut bar.
Yeah.
Got a K&N intake.
Oh, yeah.
A little valve for the turbo. Deleted the muffler.
This is a turbo, you say?
Yeah.
Is it more alive than this usually? Because there's not that many cars.
Yeah.
Was it
There
better
was a
earlier?
little bit more cars too, but they all did.
Yeah, all right.
They used to do it over there by Martinez.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Which one?
It was too hot. Like,
Oh,
there by
really?
Walmart?
Yeah, the spot was
yeah,
hot.
yeah, it was hella hot.
Oh, okay.
So that shit, yeah,
All right.
it's cool right now.
But what year is it?
19.
Okay. What model is it?
It's SI.
Oh, it's an
Civic-
SI. It's
Civic
an SI. Okay. So you started out with a good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, I wasn't gonna get the regular one. Fuck
Yeah, the
that.
base model or something.
Yeah.
All right. All right, man. I'm gonna.
What you came on?
I came in the 33 over there.
The truck?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm on
Yeah.
the bag.
Oh, thank you.
Bro, I love it how you just left it rusted. I love it like that.
Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, since it's in, I might as well just leave it for now,
bro.
not waste
No,
my time.
bro, it looks way like that, bro.
Yeah, yeah. So it's different. So you know,
Yeah.
I like to be a little different.
Cause I seen one kind of like yours.
Yeah.
But it had like a little bit rusted with a little bit of paint on it.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Okay.
shit badass, bro. I love
Yeah.
trucks like that. My dad had a 76 Chevy.
Okay. Yeah, I like those.
And I
too.
always, I always.
It was like the box.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
He built it from fucking head to toe. Built it.
yeah, yeah.
Got parts from pick and pull. Fucking
Okay.
built it, bro. But my
Yeah.
mom made him sell it.
Oh damn. Yeah, I got this. I got my '73 Merrill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that Merrill was badass too.
Yeah, that's a LS single turbo. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. By far the better cars than this, bro. I love old schools.
Yeah, that has a mid-engine though. The engine's in the back.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we'll have to go check that out. What's
Yeah.
your channel?
It's Brett Media.
Brett Media?
Yeah, BRETT and Space Media.
Say that.
Yeah, man, check it out. I'm looking for subscribers, man. I'm trying to build my little network.
For sure,
You know
bro.
what I mean?
Yeah, I be doing
Show
little
them-
videos too. But
Yeah,
just like
yeah,
when we go ride and stuff.
Yeah, you know, just
Yeah.
kind of showing the Bay Area scene.
Okay.
You know, there's a few cats out there doing it, but you know, could always be one more.
Shit, at Brett Media?
Yeah, BRETT, Space Media. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's brand new. So that's why I'm just trying to get content. That's why I'm not. Yeah, that's why I just be dipping out all over the place, trying to get whatever. You know what I mean? Because you never know when something's gonna pop off.
That's a girl driving.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they be getting stupid too. But you know, that shit makes good content though.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when fools, I mean, you know, we don't want to see the sideshow because the cops start coming.
Yeah.
But I mean, if it happens, I got my camera, so I'm gonna post it. Like,
Yeah.
I'm just catching whatever.
For sure, bro.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you for sure, bro.
All right, man, for sure. What's your
Taking
name?
the video. Abraham.
Abraham?
Yeah.
All right, you know my name.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. All right, man.
All right, for sure. The way wine.
Yeah, so we up here in Pleasant Hill, but there ain't really that many cars. There's like, you know, since those fools just dipped out, it's probably like 15 cars. Yeah, there ain't many here. So I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. I'm probably gonna slide out and dip myself. Okay, I'll see you. Got the big
I didn't want to run the marks on stock
supercharger.
because that thing was like barely made with like extruded aluminum. So like you meant it, I could do that to it. But now that it's got an actual bar in it. Flight chassis. Some flex, I mean, I can see it.
Who's this? What kind of supercharger?
Vortec V3 JT supercharger.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty big, man.
Yeah, it's a pretty good size. There's like, this is, I guess, the biggest one that the V3 can get.
Damn, too bad there's no light.
I know.
Can't get it.
That was like.
No, man.
That's the biggest alternator you can get.
Yeah, that's big. I like that. Have you ever put it on the dyno? Thanks.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah? What's
right
it put
now,
out?
Like 685, right?
Okay, that's
like
legit.
700, damn near.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
that's
I'm on
legit.
stock. I'm on stock cats and headers.
And what do you got on the back? You got what, 285?
305.
305?
Yeah, 305.
Oh, that must be tucked way under there, huh? Do you have to do any modification to the wheel well to fit a 305?
No, and it's on lowering springs too.
Really? A
It's just pretty
305 will
close.
fit on these things?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Damn.
You can go up to like a 325 before I'm pretty sure you have to
Oh
start.
shit.
That's when we start.
That's got a lot of wheel well. I didn't realize it.
Either
Yeah, it's got a decent amount.
Nice. So you could put that power down though, right?
Yeah, I still spin with them.
Hey, what?
I still spin with those tires.
Yeah. What do you got on there? What kind?
I got Nitto NT555 R2 radials.
Okay. What kind of wheel are these? Welds or what are they?
Those are race stars.
Oh, race stars.
Like the most
Okay.
budget, probably like drag setup you can get.
How you like the NT 555s?
I really like those because I've
Yeah?
been on like Mickeys before, and those I like the hook better than honestly
Than the Mickeys?
Yeah, I like them better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that what the Mickey Street Radio or something?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
the Street SS.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
You have a
Cool.
I'll be at yes day.
All right, man. What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio. Right, man.
some playlists for some of this shit because I
Yeah, there ain't nobody here. This place is empty. Ooh, I think he just bapped that car. That fool just bapped that car back there. I don't know if you can see it, but he done bapped the fuck out of that car. Someone ran into this fool's shit. I'm about to check this shit out.
It was that the dog.
Damn.
serious?
Long ass truck.
Lucky it was just a rim though. Man, not the door or something.
I'm surprised he didn't say anything. I wrote his license plate down.
got outside.
He
Damn.
looked at it and
He got back to the car.
checked it and then just
What?
What is that?
It's an Ecotec.
Ecotec. All right.
Yeah, yeah. It's a Chevy Cobalt engine 2.0 LSJ
Got it.
with a M62 supercharger.
Yeah.
It's got a 2.9 pulley and then full race suspension with the QA1 coilovers. You got a car here?
The pickup.
Right there?
Yeah.
What is that, 250?
It's a 2014 F-150.
Oh, 150?
Yeah. But it's got some minor bolt-ons. Pretty quick.
Okay. What does that have in it?
It's got a fantastic intake. It's got
No, I mean with
turbo flanges. Oh,
what size is it?
3.5 EcoBoost.
Okay, EcoBoost.
Yeah.
The
That's
6-cylinder,
the big
okay.
twin turbo one.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, those things are amazing engines. You could pull a lot of power out of them.
It's pushing about 500 horse, about 450 foot-pounds right now.
Yeah.
And ideally, it's at 150,000.
Okay.
Yeah. But it still runs 12 and a quarter.
You stay around here?
Yeah.
Oh, it runs 12s and a quarter? Oh, nice. So you're out there playing with the pony cars. That's nice.
It's funny. It's easier to launch that thing, so I'm actually faster on that than I am on my Ninja.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my best on a Ninja is 12.98, but
Oh,
that
really?
thing is doing like 12.5s.
Is it because the automatic shifting faster? Or? Yeah.
It's automatic, and you don't have to fight wheelies.
Yeah, well, that too, right? The wheelies on a
Yeah,
on a
you
bike.
let the clutch out too fast, and the front end comes up, and you don't want to backflip, so
Yeah,
you
yeah.
gotta cut the gas. And
Yeah. So you're always fighting that, right?
Yeah.
Just that threshold of getting all your power, but
but
you
not
know.
landing on your butt.
Yeah, yeah. Not pulling that nose up too high.
Yeah.
You expect it a little, but you want to find that threshold where you it's
little
just
bit,
digging.
yeah. The best case scenario, you float the front end about 3 inches off the ground.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
real hard to do though.
Oh yeah.
My trick, you just hit the gas and that's it. It just goes.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, this was a small meet, huh?
It was all right.
Oh really? Earlier? I must have
This
got here
spot
late.
doesn't- Yeah, this spot doesn't get too big.
Oh, okay.
Normally you get 50 to 60 cars.
All right. Yeah.
What area are you from?
I'm from the East Bay.
Okay.
All right. It was Vince, right?
Yeah.
It's nice meeting you, Vince.
All right, you too, man.
All right.
Hey, shoot me a message and YouTube link.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vince Cut Vinyl.
Yeah, Vince Cuts Vinyl.
Cuts Vinyl. Okay.
Underscore between each
All
one.
right. Mine is just Brett Media. That's all
Brett
it.
Media?
Brett Space Media. BRETT.
Cool.
But I'll see if I can look you up and I'll shoot you something over. It was nice talking to you. So yeah, this meet is like really dead, so I'm about to take off. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the content today. I know there wasn't much, but you know, we don't always win. Sometimes we go out to these meets and they kind of bust, but you know, this one was kind of weak. So I appreciate everyone that's watching. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of my next episodes. I release content weekly, at least every Monday, if not a few bonus videos throughout the week. So remember, smash that like button, and until next time, stay good, family.